In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a profile lock on Netflix. So if you had set a pin to lock your profile and you'd like to go ahead and remove that pin, then it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Netflix account and then go to Manage Profiles. Under Manage Profiles, you'll see all your profiles here. Go ahead and choose the profile that you had locked or you had set a pin. For my case, I had set a pin or a lock on this family profile. So if I click on it, you can see we have a profile lock is on. This is what I like to remove. To remove it, go ahead and click on profile lock. And then here we have an option either to edit the pin or to delete profile lock. So to delete this lock, go ahead and click on delete profile lock. And this will go ahead and remove the profile lock. Now you can see under profile lock, require a pin to access this profile. You can now go ahead and maybe create one if you so wish, but each and every time now you come to this profile. So let's go ahead and see the profiles. If I go again to manage profiles, you can see if I click on this, the profile lock that was on is no longer available. So that's how you can remove a profile lock on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.